First question, if a thunder is heard by a man 4 seconds after lightning seen, how far is the lightning from the man? So how we will start this? Bhavik is saying 1320 meter. Anyone else? Here is the format to solve this numerical. We have the speed of sound, time. We have to calculate the distance. And formula we know that speed equals to distance upon time. So here we will calculate the distance with this formula only. So our distance will be speed into time. So what will be the distance? So Bhumi and Bhavik is saying 1320 meter. Anyone else? So our distance will be equals to speed 330 into 4 and multiplying both the quantities, we are having the value as 1320 meter. Thus the lightning is at a distance of approx 1 kilometer from the man. Clear this question? Anyone having any doubt? Next question. Read the question carefully. It is a lengthy question. We have to calculate many things in this. So how we will start this? First, we will know about the frequency. Number of waves per second. Okay. 1500 divided by 3. Because in 3 seconds we are having 1500 waves. So in 1 second we will have 500. Okay. So this will be our frequency. It will act like a frequency. So this is the calculation of first part of the question, that is frequency of the source or wave. Now moving to the second part, wavelength. What will be the wavelength? Wavelength. Anyone? 500 sound waves in 3 seconds. We have got the frequency. The distance covered by compression and rarefaction adjacently is 68 centimeter. So what will be the wavelength? Bhumi is saying 1500. Anyone else? In sound wave, the distance covered by compression and adjacent rarefaction is equal to its wavelength. Simple definition of wavelength, which is given in the question. Okay. So the distance between compression and adjacent rarefaction is actually the wavelength, and it is given that it is 68 centimeter. So our wavelength will be 68 centimeter. Now third part about the velocity. Anyone? Third part, what will be the third part? Velocity of the sound wave. So Bhumi is saying 34,000 will be the velocity. So let's see how to calculate velocity. Velocity equals to frequency into wavelength. Here frequency we have calculated 500 Hertz. Similarly, we have calculated the wavelength also just now 68 centimeter. So we can easily calculate the velocity by multiplying both the quantities. So multiply it and get me the value. Multiply Bhumi, your some part of calculation is wrong. Correct it. It will not be 34,000. The velocity will be simple 500 into 0.68 because we have got the wavelength in terms of centimeter. So we have to convert it into meter. We know that the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay. So this is the reason we are calculating the centimeter into meter. Okay. And Bhumi, you have kept the value of wavelength in terms of centimeter only. That is why extra zeros are coming. two extra zeros. We have to divide it. Okay, so this is the final calculation of velocity, 340 meter per second. Done everyone? Just message after completion. Done everyone? Okay. Moving to the next question. Sound waves travel with a speed of 330 meters per second. What is the wavelength of sound wave whose frequency is 550 Hertz? Here speed of wave is given 330, frequency is given, and wavelength is given. Just now we have done this type of problem. Now we have to calculate the velocity in terms of frequency into wavelength. So tell me the value. So Bhumi is saying 0.6, Meeti is saying 0.6. So by putting all the values, we got the value of wavelength, that is 0.6 meter. Next question. Wavelength is given, we have to calculate the frequency. Okay. Wavelength of sound is given, we have to calculate the frequency if velocity is also given. Okay. Wavelength and velocity is given, we have to calculate the frequency. Same formula we will use. Tell me the value. So here's the relation. The relationship between velocity, wavelength, frequency is given by V equals to F into wavelength. We are having the values of velocity 343 meter per second. Then we are having the wavelength, that is also given. Frequency we have to calculate. So putting the values, what is the value of frequency? Meeti is saying 25.25, Bhavik is saying 2. Anyone else? Only two values I have got. Bhavik 2 hertz, Meeti 25.25. Meeti, check your answer. Kushal is saying 20.2 meters. So let's see. Frequency equals to 2.02 into 10 to the power 4 hertz. Okay. It is not in meter. It is in hertz. The frequency is calculated. SI unit of frequency is hertz. So all of you check your calculations. Next question. If 25 sound waves are produced per second, what is the frequency in terms of hertz? So tell me the answer. If we are having 25 sound waves in 1 second, what will be the frequency? Anyone? So the answer is the frequency in hertz is equal to number of waves produced per second. In this case, 25 waves are being produced. So the frequency will be 25 hertz. Okay. So that's all for today.